Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to tackle a couple of things. Number one, I'm going to share with you a couple of shabby chic handmade cards that I made a couple of weeks ago. I actually got some downtime and I was able to do what I love the most, which is to craft. And so I had my hand at some shabby chic creations. Okay, and the second part to our video is going to be the winner announcement to the last video, which was a giveaway. And so I have added a few crafty supplies, and we will go over that once we pick the winner. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the cards. Okay, so I made these cards using papers from my She Said Yes paper collection, and everything that you're going to see here, well, most of the items that you see here, you can find in the description area below. I will go ahead and leave you links to those if you wish. So I decided to go ahead and try my hand at some shabby chic card making, and I'm pleasantly surprised with how they came out. So like I said, here we have a very dimensional, I think it's 4x4, no, maybe it's 5x5, hang on just a minute. Yes, okay, this is a 5x5 layered card. As you can see, it's very dimensional and very shabby. What I used here, aside from my paper collections, are embroidered embellishments that you can find at my shop, but I think that this one has already sold out. I'm not sure about that. I'll have to check on that. And I have some bows over here, and I use some dies from my stash and my Spellbinders dies, and I also use some of the ephemera die cuts from this collection, which you can find it in the deluxe edition of this collection. And what I did was I used some foam, very thin foam that you can get at Hobby Lobby to make it dimensional. But before I added the foam, I went ahead and added yet another, down here, another layer of that silk. It's almost silk-like. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's this very same type of, trim. I forget what you call it, but I do have some that I will be putting up on my shop, and that is what I used right down here. And of course, we have some flat back pearl roses, and I do believe I sold out of those too. And I have this beautiful, oh my gosh, how I love these flowers. I order these from I Am Roses, and when I order them, I order like a gazillion of them so that I can also give them out to my design team members. Now I'm gonna need to place another big order soon, because I think we are all pretty much out of these. So yeah, and the card opens up like so. It's one of them vertical cards. It opens up like so, and I went ahead and I added a back to it just in case the recipient of this card wants to display it at her office or whatever, somewhere where, you know, people can see the back to it, so that way they'll have something pretty to see. Okay, also, well, I'm gonna have to go ahead and stamp here, made by yours truly. On the inside, I used another one from the paper collection, and I went ahead and I used my crocodile to round off these edges. And so yeah, and this is done on heavyweight cardstock. It's not the regular 65. It's the one that you get at Hobby Lobby that says heavyweight. That's the one that I used. Okay, so I made that, and because I was in this shabby chic moment, I went ahead and I created a slimline card. You know, I know that when these came out, they were popular for like maybe 15 minutes. You know, they came and went, and I don't know why they didn't gain in popularity. But anywho, I decided to go ahead and make another card similar to it. And so this is the back to it. And what I did here was, again, I used some of this peachy pink neutral trim right behind it, and I think we sold out of that too. And also one of my handmade bows went to the back, and I'm gonna have to put some more up on the website because I know that these sell out fast. And so I went ahead and used some of my die cut embellishments from this collection, and I just use a whole bunch of whatchamacallit, like flourish die cuts from my stash. And these are done with watercolor paper. That way they maintain the integrity of the shape. And I use the very same trim that I used over here. And this is what the inside looks like. And the inside, this is just regular creamy color, pastel almost, cardstock, plain cardstock from Hobby Lobby. And once again, I use the crocodile. And it sits like so. Oops, you can't see it. It sits like so. And this is what the back looks like. And I'm just going to have to go ahead and put my stamp on it. So I went ahead and made these, but I didn't get the chance to do the envelopes for that. And quite honestly, I don't think I'm going to have the time to do that because, number one, I have a lot of product to put up on the websites, and I have orders that I need to pack to go out, and then I have a client that I'm building a website for, and I have this other client who's also needs help with his website. So anywho, we got those. So now this is my share and my giveaway for next time. So this giveaway is also going to be, this giveaway will last for a week, and it's going to be for these 2 cards plus whatever crafty supplies that I have on hand that I can go ahead and share with the winner. So I will go ahead and leave you with the giveaway rules in the description area of this video if you're interested. And please make sure that you are a visible subscriber so that when I go to your channel and see if you qualify for my giveaway, I can clearly tell that you are indeed subscribed to my channel. Okay, and be sure to follow the directions in the rules. So we have that, and now for the winner. Okay, so last week we did a video in which I shared these projects, easy to make, Easter theme, spring theme, well, mostly Easter because it says Easter, right? Projects that you can make with whatever paper collections that you may have, you know. And this is my very own paper collection that is called Easter Crafts, in which you will find on my website and other platforms as well. So I will leave you the links to everything down below. And I also made a memory text card so that whenever the winner wants to use it for something, she can go ahead and write out whatever she needs to. And this is from our new collection. So I went ahead and added a couple of freebies here for the winner. Okay, and it's gonna be this, it's gonna be this, and it's gonna be this. But that is not enough, I thought. So not only is the winner gonna be receiving my spring theme, Easter theme made projects, she is also going to receive our brand spanking new paper collection that is called So Much Fun. And as you will see in the title, it is a very shabby chic, vintage style sewing and crafty theme as well. So that's a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun making this collection for you. So here we have the 8x8 or 8.25 by 8.25 size that is on 65 pound good quality cardstock that is lignin and acid free. We have 11 designs, and of course you always get 2 sheets of each, and for a total of 22 single-sided sheets. So the winner is gonna get this, and y'all asked for it, we listened, and you got it. You're getting it. We also have the not exactly 6 by 6 paper collection. It is more close to a 5 3/8 by 5 3/8, and this is the small version of the So Much Fun. It is so perfect, so no pun intended, so perfect for smaller embellishments like tags and whatnot, and Happy Mail and swaps, and you know, those smaller projects that you want to get the full size illustration for and not have anything cut off, kind of, sort of, if you know what I mean. Y'all are paper crafters, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So over here you're gonna get the full 11 designs, and of course you're gonna get 2 sheets of each for a total of 22 single-sided sheets. Not only that, but our winner is also getting the So Much Fun fussy cut sheets. Oh my gosh, just you wait till you see the flip through video of this collection. I haven't made one as of yet, but I do invite you to head on over to one of our design team members who has already put her video up, and I'm going to go ahead and link that video in the description down below so you can check and see exactly what she got from her DT package, and yeah, you will get to see the flip through of this amazing collection. I just love it. It is so shabby, beautiful, so elegant, vintage. It is anything and everything that I would ever want in a crafty theme paper scrapbook collection. Scrapbook paper collection. I had a brain fart for a second there. I was like, what the hell? But anywho, okay, so you're gonna get a total of 20 very crafty and fun and so pretty. There we go again. So pretty illustrations, okay? And you're also going to get 12 crafty sayings, you know, the sentiments. And I put the sentiments in such a way in 2 sheets. I sized them in such a way so that way you get a total of 48, okay? There are 12 times 4, so excuse me. So anyways, you do get they are printed on 65 pound cardstock, excellent quality cardstock that is lignin and acid free, and of course you do get 2 sheets of each, and for a total of 40 fussy cuts that you can either fussy cut them yourself, and I space my fussy cuts in such a way that it is so easy for you to do it by hand, or if you rather run it through your electronic fussy cutting machine, okay, you can do that as well. So you get 40 fussy cuts and 48 sentiments. So yeah, my throat is bothering me once again. I'm gonna need to yeah, stay quiet going forward. And so yeah, make sure that you read the giveaway rules for this other giveaway that I have, and please make sure that you are a visible subscriber. I need to see that in order to qualify you for the giveaway. Sorry. Okay, let's go ahead and see who the winner is. Winner, you have 5 days to contact me to give me your address and everything so that I can mail your prizes out to you. Okay? Thank you so very much for watching.